Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Ilia Barrier Build Skin Protectant Cream. This product retails for $64. Ilia has not launched a skincare product in a little while. I feel like their last launch was their cleanser, and I was okay with that product, but it just wasn't my favorite. $64 for a moisturizer. I mean, this better blow me away because that is a pretty steep price point. Some of Ilia's products have been more high-end when it comes to price points, but their formulation has just been kind of lackluster. And I don't want to automatically say that I'm going into this review with that in the back of my head. That is a really steep price point. When I look over the highlighted ingredients and some of the main standout points, it's kind of something I've seen in a lot of other moisturizers. So I'm going to be looking at this product under a microscope because ultimately $64 is a big price to pay, especially if it's not doing anything more special than some other moisturizers that I've tried. I do want to address that they have shea butter in this formulation. They also claim it is non-comedogenic, which I am so over that term. It implies that it is safe for acne-prone skin, but truthfully, coming from someone with acne-prone skin, there have been plenty of products that haven't worked for me that say they are non-comedogenic. Because everyone's acne is different. Statistically on paper, that is not necessarily true because shea butter is a known pore clogger, even though I've been able to use it in the past. There's so many like contradictions in this, but when you put this on paper, it is not technically non-comedogenic, but coming from someone who has been able to use shea butter before, there aren't any ingredients that really stand out to me. But if you know you have a sensitivity to the shea butter, then definitely avoid this product. I'm trying to go into it with an open mind. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They have some great highlighted ingredients, including a 1% concentration of colloidal oatmeal. And they also include some soothing ingredients such as oat in this product. To check out the full ingredient list, you can click the link in the description, goes to their website, or I've also left the full ingredients in the description. They have a lot of soothing ingredients in here, but they're not something I haven't seen a ton of in the skincare market. So the main thing I'm going to be doing with this product is seeing if it's worth it and how it feels on the skin. I also want to see if it causes any acne, just because that is something I always look for with these richer moisturizers. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this moisturizer. I'm needing it. I haven't put on anything today and I am extremely dry. This seems to have a pretty simple ingredient list, but also seems to have some pretty hard-hitting ingredients as well. So I'm really excited to feel it and to see how it performs. Texture. It feels pretty lightweight. It blends into the skin pretty nice. The only thing is with this product, you can see there it doesn't leave much of a finish. It's very expensive. This is a very pricey product for what you're getting. I mean, it's pretty standard. I don't feel like there's anything ingredient list wise that sets it apart from other moisturizers, but I will be comparing it to a few notable ones that I have tried with these style of ingredients in here. I'm also nervous because it is a richer cream. I'm not seeing anything in here that looks like it would set off acne, but that always isn't telling. Sometimes moisturizers like this can cause breakouts because it is richer. It does definitely feel like a richer cream. It's not light, but when it comes to finishes, it does blend into the skin practically immediately. And it feels nice, like it gave an instant nourishment to my drier areas. I'm not sure. My first initial impression is a little bit lackluster just because, I mean, sure, the simple ingredients are impressive. Sure, they have a lot of hard-hitting and great ingredients in here, but the price point is just really deterring me, and it's something I'm gonna keep in the back of my head when I'm continuing to use this product, because honestly, if I'm just okay with it, I know some more budget-friendly alternatives to this product, but that will just be with time. I'm going to continue using it, seeing what else I notice, seeing if it causes any acne or if I notice anything negative, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I have actually seen some videos of different cosmetic chemists breaking down the formulation of this product, and I just want to say I don't want to discredit any of that with this video because I completely understand. I feel like this product on paper and also maybe with more execution of using it consistently could show some great benefits and could be a great product for somebody. But here's the thing, I personally found it lackluster within the first couple of weeks of using it, and the reason I say that is because the price point and also some other alternatives that I know work better for my skin. This product is very similar to the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream from what I have at least felt, and also some of the standout ingredients in this product and that product. Now I feel like this could be an alternative to turn to if you've tried out the Ultra Repair Cream and it didn't work for you. This moisturizer was okay. It didn't break me out, didn't cause any acne. It also was fairly light on the skin. It wasn't terribly nourishing, but I definitely noticed the nourishment to get better over time. However, that nourishment was nothing compared to what I usually notice with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Now I've used that product for a while. It's been a holy grail of mine, but I remember how my skin was whenever I first started using it and how fast I saw benefits with that product. And you know, like I said, it may be more of a long-term thing. I'm not sure, but at the moment, where I would put my money is in the First Aid Beauty. I would not personally put it in this product because I feel like it is just okay. Not to discredit the formula, because I know that this product has been well thought out. I feel like there are some great benefits to this product, but personally myself, where I would invest my money with repurchasing is in the First Aid Beauty. I just really didn't see me gravitating towards this product with what I've seen so far, and I'm comparing it to the same amount of time that I've spent with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Now, this product was not as nourishing as that product from what I could tell so far. The thing is, I also know of a more budget-friendly alternative. At the time of filming this, it is not on the market because it was going through a recall, but Prequel's barrier therapy is relatively comparable to this. I would say that product is a little bit more light than this, so if you're wanting something more nourishing, honestly, I would go for the Ultra Repair Cream, but the barrier therapy is also pretty nourishing for the skin as well. More extended time with that, but some of the standout ingredients like Colloidal oatmeal are in that product. And I noticed not that big of a difference where I would pay that extreme gap. This product really didn't do it for me with the price point, and just because I know of a product that I love better, that works better for my skin. Not to say this rules out this product for you. I mean, obviously if you've tried out both of those products or you're wanting something a little bit more nourishing than the barrier therapy, I may turn to this product. I personally wouldn't because the First Aid Beauty works great for me, but I am just more recommending at least trying out those formulas before you try out this product. Like I said, not to discredit anything with this product because I feel like the moisturizer has a great technology to it. I just felt like it was a little bit lackluster for the price point, and so for that reason, I personally wouldn't put my money into this product. It's kind of what I've felt with a lot of Ilia's products. I love the base face milk, but it was just kind of like I know some more budget-friendly alternatives to this product that worked better for my skin. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.